Welcome back to my channel Plan and Dimensions. Friends, in my last video, I had discussed 3 BHK plan for ground floor in 33 feet by 51 feet 2 inches built up area as Dhwajaya. Today, we will discuss typical floor plan with 2 units, 2 BHK and 1 BHK. Friends, please watch this video till the end. I am bringing this live video of construction process with tips in my future videos. In case if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please watch this video, link provided in my description box or by clicking the I button on right top of my screen. From ground floor, we have stairs to our upper floor. Once we reach, we have balcony towards east and north, access to 1 BHK and 2 BHK units. We have main entry door facing east for our 1 BHK unit. From main door, we enter living 10 feet by 13 feet. Beside this living, we have 8 feet 6 inches by 8 feet space where we can utilize for study or any other. We have puja 4 feet by 4 feet 6 inches. Now from this area we enter 8 feet 6 inches by 9 feet. From dining towards southeast we have kitchen 8 feet by 10 feet 2 inches. We have kitchen platform towards north and east wall, accommodating cooking range in southeast. This area also we can utilize as working platform as per our requirement. Now we have a common toilet 8 feet by 5 feet. Towards southwest for this unit, we have bedroom measuring 13 feet by 12 feet. Again, from this balcony, towards north, we have entry for our 2 BHK unit. Main door facing north. From main door, we enter a very spacious area, living, measuring 18 feet 6 inches by 17 feet. This area we can accommodate dining table. We have puja 3 feet by 3 feet facing north. From living we have kitchen in southeast for this unit. Towards southwest we have bedroom number 1 measuring 13 feet by 12 feet. For this bedroom we have attached toilet 8 feet 8 inches by 4 feet 2 inches. Towards northwest we have bedroom number 2 13 feet by 12 feet. For this bedroom we have common toilet 5 feet by 8 feet 6 inches. Friends, I hope this video will be useful for you. Please subscribe, like and get notified for my upcoming videos. I will upload a live video of construction process actuals at site in my next video. That's all for now. Let us meet in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.